We have several issues. We would start with the ones as simple ones, like obtaining a land search certificate. It will take 2-3 weeks, a month. Sometimes your documents get lost. You are told to do another search on and on, which is not fair even to the common mwananchi who does at the same. Processing of title deeds. It will take months to years. Loss of documents. You submit your documents for transfer at the lands office for our clients. And they are rejected at times, and you are not told that they are rejected, or they are rejected for no reason. Something simple whereby you can sit down and talk, but it becomes complex. You get your documents after a year or so. And we believe these are things which can be done amicably so that we get a solution to it. Some of the solutions we are seeking is for addition of staff at the lands registry. Respect is very important at the registry through the staff. Some of the staff, not all of them, some of the staff at the lands registry are very disrespectful, which is not fair. That's a public office, and we believe all should be served well. We also seek to have other lands registries opened within Machakos County. Machakos County has only one lands office. We need one in Mavoko, we need one in Kangundo, we need the one gazetted at Kidhimani to be operational. Mwala, it will ease work at the Machakos lands office. And we are also doing this not for our own sake, but for the sake of the common mwananchi. We are mandated as a branch to deal with our advocates and the issues and complaints against them. We shall deal with it from the branch level and even the national level, because we took oath of office as advocates to serve the public, si kudhulumu mtu yoyote. So hiyo na kuhakikishia tutadeal nayo kama yoyote atatokelezea. For years, I would say that I remember 2021 the Chief Administrative Officer, Lands Planning Kenya, alikuja Machakos. And tulienda kwa County Commissioner, tukaongea na Land Registrar, na tukapresent petition yetu na mashida hizi. Na lakini hazijawahi suluhishwa. So ni kitu tumejaribu, si kusema leo tunaleta maandamano sababu ya kitu ya jana, hapana. Na kuna mabarua tumepeleka kwa ofisi za lands. So si kitu ya leo ama ya jana.